Hello everybody, welcome to JKSR channel, and then today's topic is the file is read only when you need to be given edit permission to this file to sync it. So usually this error message you will get when you are trying to upload a file in the OneDrive or in a SharePoint link. So usually you will get an error like this file is read only, you need to be given an edit permission to sync this file. So this kind of error will get it for while you are updating or while you are uploading a files into the OneDrive or a SharePoint. So guys, this is a topic that we are going to discuss, or I'm going to show you on this platform. And then if you are seeing for the first time, please do watch, and then please do subscribe for more. And then this is for the technical awareness which I am having an experience and knowledge. I'm sharing this in this platform. And then let's begin. So this is the error that we are getting while uploading a OneDrive or a SharePoint link. So in technically we call it as a site user ID mismatch. So usually we'll get it like this. So you might have getting like this error. So while saving a file or Excel, anything, Excel or Word, PowerPoint, any file when you are trying to upload into the OneDrive. So into the OneDrive, which is already configured in your system as a client, OneDrive client application. So when you are trying to upload or when you are trying to save this into the OneDrive folder, and then you will be getting a this error. So upload blocked. We couldn't find, or we couldn't verify you have the necessary permissions to upload the file. So yes, the question is, so why do we get this error? So why do we get this error is like this is the reason that we will this is the reason why we are getting that error. So these issues usually occur if a user account is deleted from the Microsoft O365 Admin Center, and then the new account is created by using the user principal name that was used by the deleted account, and the new account is assigned to the new ID value even though the UPN is the same. However, the user info list for the SharePoint and OneDrive sites associated with the account only has the old ID. So when the users try to access the SharePoint on their OneDrive site by using their new account, their new ID doesn't match the ID that's in the user info list. Therefore, they're denied the access to the site. So these issues might also occur during the directory synchronization between the on-prem Active Directory to the SharePoint or to the cloud. So if users have already logged into the SharePoint or later moved into the different OU, they might experience these issues when the OU synchronize with the SharePoint. So simply I would say, like, if the user deleted from the cloud itself and the same ID has been created in the AD on-prem side, and then that syncs to the cloud again, there it may get clashes, like it may get conflicted, like it may we can say like ID mismatch. So link will get mismatched. So due to that we'll get this kind of errors, and the user will not be able to upload files into the OneDrive, whether in the Outlook, whether in the OneDrive client in the system or in the OneDrive over the browser also, they will not be able to upload the files. So in this case, there is a method called, so this is a method we can use to fix this issue. It's a simple fix. First of all, you should be a global administrator, or though you are an administrator, you should have a SharePoint administrator role. So on this no, you can see here. So this is a site that we should open in the admin center browser. When you open that, guys, listen to me again. So before this URL opening, you should have a global admin role, or you should have a exchange admin role along with the SharePoint administrator role. So when you have that, and copy this URL and then paste it in the browser. Okay, when you paste this in the browser, it will be redirected to this page. Okay, this is the diagnosed mode. so where it can fix automatically by using this method. Okay, when you run that, and then you will be prompted here, you will be prompted here to enter the OneDrive URL and then the user ID. The user ID is like the person who is affected. So this is the user ID, this is the user ID which is mentioned in the bottom. This is the example. So the similarly the address will be the affected user, guys. When if you don't find that, you just try to open the user on the browser and go to the OneDrive. That is the URL address, OneDrive URL address. Copy that, and then here after running the diagnostic, it will be prompted to enter the OneDrive URL as well as the user email address. When you enter that, it checks and it gives that the OneDrive site owner as a mismatched ID. So you will get this error. When you get this error, you just only you need to do is you just check the check the URL which is there, and then click I acknowledge. The clicking update settings will make the changes described about the tenant configuration, and then click update. That's it, guys, and then the issue will be fixed automatically. And then when you click that update, and that's it, and then after that you just try to rerun the test and see, and it gives that our test did not find any problem. So that means issue got fixed. And then try to open the URL on the browser OneDrive and see, and then you will be able to upload the files successfully on the OneDrive. And then you can check as well as in the OneDrive client which is configured in the local system. You can check that on the browser also. You can check that you are able to upload the file successfully. So guys, this is the fix for the site ID mismatch. And then when the user is not able to upload the files on the browser, on the OneDrive browser, on the OneDrive client side also. So this fix will be fixed automatically from the Microsoft itself. And then and hope you understood well. And then if you get any kind of issues, and then go through this my video, and then accordingly you can fix it. So thank you, guys, and I hope you understood well. And then please do subscribe my channel if it is interesting, if it is helpful. And thank you, and share across to your friends. Thank you so much.